Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. A few of you guys have requested for KuCoin tutorial, so here it is. In this video, I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to use KuCoin, how to sign up, find your account, buy a Dogecoin or whatever cryptos that you want. Then, if you want to paper hands, I will also show you how to sell your cryptos and get back your money. Finally, I will give you some tips and tricks on using KuCoin. Alright, let's start right now. First thing first, when signing up, it's best to sign up with a referral link because you'll be able to get 5% discount on your trades. If you have a friend who has a referral link, just use theirs. Otherwise, you can just use mine down below. Okay, here's a special thing about KuCoin compared to other exchanges. Even if you don't do KYC, it's totally alright, because the limitations without KYC is still very generous. For example, in FTX, if you don't do KYC, you can't trade, deposit or withdraw. Basically, they only allow you to click here, click there, but you cannot do anything else. On the other hand, in KuCoin, even without KYC, you can withdraw up to 1 Bitcoin every day, which is more than enough for most people, unless you're some rich Saudi prince lah. If you need to do KYC, you can find it at the profile, KYC verification, but I will just skip it for now. Okay, let's talk about how to fund KuCoin. Even though you can fund via credit cards, peer-to-peer and third-party transfers, they are all not so good because if you use credit card, there's a godlike 1.8% fee. There's no SGD option in peer-to-peer, and third-party transfers all have some kind of fees. So all these methods are out. This means that you can only fund KuCoin via the crypto transfer method. Basically, you buy crypto from another exchange, then send it over to KuCoin to buy your cryptos. Let me give you 2 easy ways to do that. First, you can use Gemini's active trader. Use SGD to buy either Bitcoin or Ethereum because that's the only available trading pair for SGD. Then send Bitcoin or Ethereum to KuCoin. For the fees, there's 0.25% to 0.35% trading fees and no withdrawal fees for the first 10 transfers every month. So let's say if you buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin and send it over, the total fees is only $3.50. The second method is to use either Binance SG or CoinHako to buy Litecoin, then send over. This is because Litecoin has a very low withdrawal fee of just 0.001 Litecoin or 29 cents. Even cheaper than 1 veggie at the Cai Fan store. I would recommend using Binance SG for this because the trading fee is just 0.6%, while CoinHako trading fee is 0.8% after the promo code. So let's say if you use Binance SG to buy 1000 SGD worth of LTC, then send over, the total fee is only $6.29. Between Gemini and Binance SG, Gemini is cheaper. Okay, I'll show you how to do this in Gemini. I will just skip the funding and buy crypto part because I've already done that tutorial. You can check it out here if you want. For sending crypto over, at the top right side, click Transfer. Withdraw from Gemini. Choose the crypto that you want to send over, like Bitcoin. For destination address, go to KuCoin. At the top, click on Assets, then click Deposit. Choose the crypto that you want to deposit. Change the account to trading account so that once your crypto arrives, it's ready to be traded. Choose the correct network, then copy the address. Go back to Gemini, paste the address in, enter the amount, request withdrawal. Confirm your 2FA, then submit. Okay, now you just need to wait for your crypto to arrive. On average, it will take about 30 minutes. So just watch on drama or browse Wall Street Bets to look for the next stock to buy. Totally not financial advice. By the way, you don't have to keep checking KuCoin whether the crypto arrived or not. If you have set your phone number, they will SMS you when it arrives. Or if you have set your email, they will just email you when it arrives. Alright, now your crypto is in KuCoin. Let's convert it to the crypto that you want to buy. To do that, at the top, mouse over trade, spot trading. Here, you will see some very nice chart that makes you feel like you are CBA Pro or something. Okay, I want to show you something. Sometimes you won't be able to find your trading pair. For example, if I want to convert Bitcoin to Solana, you won't be able to find the trading pair here. To do that, you first need to convert BTC to USDT, then USDT to Solana. Yes, it's a bit mafan or troublesome, but no choice. I'll just show you how to convert to Ethereum instead. Search for ETH BTC trading pair. At the bottom right, input your trading password. Let me quickly explain the stuff here. On the left, you can buy ETH. On the right, sell ETH. There are 2 main order types, limit order and market order. For limit order, you can choose what price you want to buy Ethereum at. For example, right now, the price is like 0.08. You can lowball them and say, I want to sell at 0.0001. Can is can, but you wait long because no one will want to sell Ethereum to you at this price. So set a more reasonable price. The second order type is market order. Basically, you will buy at the best market price from here. Which you use is totally up to you, but I will just use market order. Enter the amount you want to convert, then click buy. And ta-da! You have successfully bought your crypto. Okay, let's say your Ethereum has gone to the moon. Nice. Now, I'll quickly show you how to sell a crypto so that you can achieve financial independence and retire early. Selling is exactly the same as buying. But the idea is to sell to a crypto that's a very low withdrawal fee, so that you can transfer out to another exchange to convert to SGD. I would recommend using Litecoin for this because of the low withdrawal fee. So at the top, mouse over trade, spot trading. Look for the trading pair, then just sell your crypto. Then to withdraw your crypto, at the top, click assets, click withdraw, choose LTC. Then how come no LTC one? Don't scared. There's a reason for this. It's because all the LTC is in the trading account. So click transfer from trading account to main account. Choose the amount, then confirm. For wallet address, you can send it to any exchange that you want. But I will just show you how to do it in Gemini. In Gemini, at the top, click transfer, deposit into Gemini, choose LTC, then copy the address. Head back to KuCoin, paste it in, choose the correct network, enter the amount. For remarks, you don't have to type anything. Click confirm, do all the verification to transfer. The transfer will take around 30 minutes to arrive. Finally, in Gemini, if you are using the basic version, Gemini will charge you a very high fee. So you will need to change it to Active Trader. To do that, click Account, Settings, scroll down, click on Active Trader. Go back to the exchange. Here, you will need to do 2 transactions, LTC to BTC, then BTC to SGD. Once you are done, at the top, click Transfer, withdraw from Gemini, choose SGD, choose your bank account, then just withdraw SGD to your bank. So simple! So that was a quick tutorial on how to use KuCoin. Now let me give you a very quick tip on using KuCoin. At the top, under Finance, you will see Crypto Lending. Here, you can lend your crypto to other people. The interest rate will fluctuate depending on the demand. You can choose to lend between 7, 14 and 28 days. If you want to keep lending out, just enable Auto Lend, then set the minimum rate that you want to lend out. So that was some tips and tricks on using KuCoin. Hopefully, you find this video useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.